Hi guys, so this is my analysis on DXY. If you watch my previous video on DXY, I think DXY was around this level. I said I'm seeing more of a possible move to the downside before we move to the upside, but then I was targeting around my 88.6% level, but we can see it did perfectly well though. We rejected off my 78.6 level right at that level, and we are continuing to push to the upside. So I'm still there's still more possibility that we might push to my first target, which is around 120, and let's see how that plays out. But I'm seeing more of that. We can see, put down here to see. Yeah, so overall I'm seeing more of a buy move on DXY. We can see this like an impulse, a correction, and a possible continuation. Then we'll see what next after the continuation. But I think maybe if we get to this target, there's a possibility that we might get out this target again, which is around 102, around that level. And my reason is because we can see there has been a break of structure around this area right here, around this area right here, and there's no retest yet. So there's a possibility that we might still push up to retest, and that will determine what next. Is it that we break out of this zone, then push to the downside, or we might break out of the zone, the bullish momentum, retest, and continue to push the upside. But I don't analyze based on more of the future, so let's just see current price action. This is what I'm saying. So let's see if it's going to at least get to this target, and we can see what next. So currently I'm still expecting more of a buy on dollar index. So guys, this is a quick analysis on gold. If you watched my previous analysis on gold, I said I'm expecting a bit more of an uptrend on gold. As long as we are above this trend line right here, I can predict that we are expecting more of a buy instead of a sell. But we can see it as we're rejecting of this level, so there's a higher chance that we might continue to push to the upside. So maybe around this level to this target right here, that's a possibility that I'm seeing around that level. So let's just see how it goes, and if it breaks this trend line, it's a big momentum and retest, there's a possibility that we might get to this next target, which is this trend line right at that level. But as of right now, I'm still seeing more of buy than sell. But like we used to say, no one can control the market. The market does what it wants to do. We just have to follow the price action at the moment and analyze based on the current price action. So as of right now, I'm still seeing more of a buy. Then if you continue, then if you break this level, then we might change our bias on it. But right now I'm seeing more of a buy, and this is my target as of right now, 2076, and let's see how that plays out. And if not, let me put, maybe if I might continue and push maybe to this right here to touch the trend line and see how that goes after then. So this is just my quick analysis on gold, guys. So this is my analysis on US30. If you watched my previous analysis on US30, I said I'm expecting US30 to come to around this level, 335, and we can see currently US30 went around there and even came to my second target, which is around 370, my negative 61.8% fib level, before we start rejecting to the upside. So it's played out the way I think it will play out, which is really good. So let's see what next I'm expecting. Let me delete since it's played out, let me delete it and see what we might be seeing next. Let's zoom in and see. So we have seen in the past that if the market gets to this level right here, it rejects up this level, it rejects up this level. So there's a possibility that it might reject, but we don't know as of right now. So we have to wait, and this is a significant zone right here, so we have to wait to see how the candle closes around the zone. That will determine if you're going to go to the downside or if you're going to push up to the upside. But if you're pushing up to the upside, at least I'm targeting around this level right there, which is 34858, around that level right there, to see what next. on US30, but as of right now this is very indecisive because we're in a very significant zone and we can see right at this level. So we just have to wait to see how this candle closes and see the reaction of the market. So as of right now there is nothing much on US30 as to like, we just have to be patient and wait and let the market comes to us and give us the price action it wants to do at that moment for us to now decide on what to do. So that's just my overall thought on US30, guys. So hope you like my analysis, guys. Don't forget to share, comment and like, and I will see you in my next analysis. Thank you.